NuGEN Machineries Ltd offers Trimans, numerically controlled, NC hydraulic press brakes. The tough, robust, and strong welded structure is made out of IS-2062, silicon-killed, and ultrasonically, physically and chemically tested steel plates to withstand continuous stress and strain under full load at minimum deflection. Trimans NC hydraulic press brakes are equipped with Cyberlek touchscreen controller, servo motor, servo drive, high-precision magnetic linear scale, and ball screws. Featured in this video, Trimans PBR NC 1230 is fitted with 2-axis NC controller. Y-axis for depth and angle control and X-axis for back gauge positioning. Ram-mounted punch. Positioned on the top bends the metal sheet by punching it onto the die. A table bottom mount tool. Engineered and supplied as per the customer's requirement. Punch and multi-way die empowers and facilitates the users to carry out multi-angular job works with utmost ease. Trimans hydraulic press brakes from NuGEN Machineries Ltd are very powerful and offer unbeatable flexibility, as they can bend materials like mild steel and stainless steel. Heavy duty and convenient to use, optional, quick release clamps, offered with Trimans hydraulic press brakes from NuGEN Machineries Ltd. Ensure safe, hassle-free mounting, unmounting, and placement of punch, as per the requirements. The back gauge moves along the X-axis and help in metal sheet positioning and alignment during the process of bending. Advanced NC back gauge mounted on side frame offer additional space, enhanced productivity. NuGEN machine structures are designed keeping in mind the highest factor of safety and lowest deflections, without compromising with the weight factor of machines. Apart from 2,000+ installations in India, Trimans hydraulic press brakes and hydraulic shears from NuGEN Machineries Ltd have also been exported to Malaysia, Turkmenistan, Kuwait, Tanzania, Bahrain, Dubai, Sharjah, Abu Dhabi, South Africa, Sultanate of Oman, Qatar, Ethiopia, Jordan, Ghana, Zimbabwe, Europe, and the United States of America. Located in Ahmedabad, Gujarat, India, NuGEN Machineries Ltd is an ISO 9001:2015 company, certified by DNV. Machines we manufacture: Trimans, conventional hydraulic press brakes, numerically controlled, NC hydraulic press brakes, CNC Synchro hydraulic press brakes, fixed rake angle, conventional, and NC hydraulic shears, variable rake angle, NC, and CNC hydraulic shears, extra edge hydraulic shears. Click below to watch more videos of Trimans, hydraulic press brakes, and hydraulic shears.
NuGEN Machineries Ltd. Innovation. Perfection. Reliability.